Hello everyone. Today's topic is dynamic expressions. In dynamic expressions, the data will keep on changing, or in dynamic expressions, the data generates randomly each and every time. How to generate random numbers in Tosca? This is the syntax for to generate random numbers. I'm copying this syntax. If I translate this syntax, I'm able to see after translating the syntax, the six random numbers we are able to see. So after running that expression, random number six, so we are able to see the six random numbers. If I change the number in sixth place, if I mention eight, I will get eight random numbers after translating this expression. See, eight numbers is there. This is the by using this random text, we can create text with numbers. If I translate this expression, I will get a text with numbers. See in this value for numbers and text on I mean numbers and alphabets also is there. If I change the number, if I mention nine, I will get nine values with the text. These are the nine values. In this, it is included with the numbers and text. These are the syntaxes for random regular expressions. By using this random regex, we can create the text with capital letters and small letters. This is the random regex. If here A to Z is there, we want the capital letters means uh, we have to give the how many numbers we want, that many that much count we have to give in this floor bracket. If I want starting three letters is capital, I have to mention three. If I want after three letters, if I want small letters, six small letters means I have to give a small I have to give number six. Capital letters A to Z, I'm selecting, I want three letters. The three letters is included in this A to Z. If I want a small six letters, that six letters is included in A to Z. After executing this expression, we will get starting three letters is capital. After the three letters, remaining six letters is small. If I translate this value, starting three letters, it will be capital. Next six letters will be small. Same syntax only I'm using to generate numbers also. Same syntax only. Lost I added plus 0 to 9 open curly bracket some number. How many numbers I want, that much, that meant that number I have to give. If I want five numbers randomly, that five numbers it will be there 0 to 9 only. A to Z I given one capital letter I given, A to Z small, A to Z I given six small letters I given, 0 to 9 I given 5. I will get now starting one letter is a capital and the next six letters is a small letters. Next five letters is five numbers, random numbers I will get after executing this expression. Translate value. See, first letter is capital, remaining six. Sorry, I have to check how many numbers I given. Remaining six. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm getting. The first letter is capital, remaining six letters is small. Then five random numbers I got. Why I got five random numbers here? I added 0 to 9 in that numbers only. I given five. I want five like that. I mentioned. So that is the reason I got like that format. So if I want to create a Gmail or anything, first I have to same syntax only I have to take anything same format I have to take. I taken random regex A to Z I mentioned the starting letter I want capital A to Z small letters I mentioned I want starting six letters is small plus 0 to 9 I mentioned and I want to start only three numbers, any three random numbers, like not 1 to 3 only, any random numbers like that. Then I have added @gmail.com. By using this expression, now I'm able to create and now I'm able to create one Gmail. Translate. See, first letter is capital. Next six letters are small. Next three random numbers. Next @gmail.com. In test cases, no need to enter the values like this manually. No need to enter the Gmail, random Gmail like this. We have to give @gmail. No need to enter manually. Random Gmail, no need to enter manually. We can use this random regex for creating a Gmail, for creating numbers randomly, we can use random numbers expression. For creating any text, any some text or with numbers, we can use random text expression. If we want to create the text with capital letters and small letters, so we can use random regex with this syntax we can use A to Z and some capital A to Z and small a to Z it will be there. How many numbers we want, we have to change it here. One more time, I will explain from starting. Uh, in dynamic expressions, the data will keep on changing. That is not, static data. The data will keep on changing. We don't know. Which data it will come like that. So it generates randomly each and every time. So that is the reason we have to use these expressions by using this random syntax we can generate numbers randomly. By using random text we can generate text with numbers randomly. By using with random regular expressions we can create a text with capital letters and small letters. Why capital letter, how capital letters is coming means I mentioned here clearly A to Z capital. Then in flower bracket I mentioned how many numbers, how many capital letters I want. Then I mentioned how many from for A to Z, I mentioned, so how many small letters I want, I mentioned six. If I change number, automatically that many the small letters I will get after executing this expression. Capital letter to getting capital letters, we have to mention capital A to Z. to getting small letters, we have to mention small a to z. If we want numbers also in that same syntax, in last we have to mention plus 0 to 9 numbers. It will be there like 0 to 9, 0 to 9 only, right? So after mentioning number in floor in this bracket, in this floor bracket, that many numbers only we will get. That it should be 0 to 9 only. And so if we want to create Gmail or Yahoo.com on that time, so just you have to you have A to Z. We should not change these letters. We have to change this one only. If we want 9 9, you have to mention. We should not change these letters. This we have to change some this water floor brackets is there. That numbers only we have to change. We should not change this A to Z, small A to Z, and 0 to 9. We should not change. We have to change whatever value is there in floor brackets. That value only we have to change. And so if we want to create a Gmail, so I want first few letters is like a few 5 letters is capital. So I have to mention it here five. Later after 5 letters, if I want a small letter is one only, so I have to mention A to Z is one. That time I will get one small letter. If I want only numbers is five only, I have six only, I have to mention six. Then I will get only six numbers. Then later after this syntax, we have to add at the rate gmail.com. Whatever extra text we are expecting in last, that text we have to add. This is we are generating random Gmail, right? This everything okay. But at the rate gmail.com, we want constantly. I mean, conformly, we wanted um, this text. So that is the reason. This is the static text. I'm telling. This is the reason I'm adding at the rate gmail.com. For every mail, I want at the rate gmail.com. That is the reason. Permanently, I'm adding this one. This one, any text, it is enough for me. This Gmail from here to here, any text is no problem for me on that time. So I mentioned random regex. I'm generating this starting text with randomly. Then there at gmail.com I added a static way. This is a constant. I have to create a 10 random Gmail IDs. So this is a constant for all Gmail IDs. So this text only I have to change. So on that time, in front of that at the rate gmail.com, I have to add this random regex. On that time, automatically 10 times we execute this expression means 10 times we will get new Gmail IDs. See, for example, if I am executing this um, random regex, with this I'm creating a Gmail ID. 10 Gmail IDs if I want. Every time I will get a new one only. See, I will translate. See, now I got CCG capital starting five letters is a capital, then is small, then is numbers, at the rate Gmail ID. Okay, if I translate one more time, I will get different one, not same thing I will not get. This is constant. Why it is constant? I added manually this one. But this numbers I given random expression, regular expression I given. That is the reason every time after executing, every time this data will get changed. If I execute 10 times, 10 times the data will get different data only. This is the today's topic. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.